All your time in the student clinic, they never did it?
Mm-mm.
Yep, give me all the weight there. Good. Relax.
Oh, Jesus. No, they've never done that. Oh, Jesus.
That moved really well. Your hair is very bright. It reminds me of Scoot Towards Me. What's that movie? Is it like Scott Pilgrim?
Oh,
The
yeah.
girl with the hair, right? Very good.